Hey everyone, today we're doing another review. This is the Ready Hour Emergency Food Storage, and we're doing a review on the chocolate pudding. So I made a whole bowl of it, a large bowl. It makes quite a bit actually. I filled up, or I made eight. I was able to put 8 portions in a bowl about this size. Put 8 equal portions in there, about like yay size. So, it is fairly difficult. It says to whisk. It says open pouch, remove oxygen absorber, using above chart. Whisk pudding mix in cold water until creamy, about 5 to 7 minutes. Well, so I added the water in the whole packet, right, and I whisked it. Well, I would say unless you're like bionic man, you're not gonna be able to whisk this for 5 to 7 minutes. Either that or you're just a better man than I am. I broke one whisk, and the other one I just ran out of energy. At any rate, it has the consistency of wallpaper paste when you're done with it. At least according to the directions. Maybe adding more, as you can see this, maybe adding more water would work better. But I mean, you can see it's like hanging upside down, and it's not going anywhere. Okay, so that's the consistency of it. Now, let's get some honest opinions from the family about what they thought about the taste. Not necessarily the consistency, but the taste. Let's start with the 1-year-old. Give her some. Piper, do you like it? Not a whole bunch. Don't choke her on it. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, Piper, what do you think? Is that good? Okay, we got a out of the child, but she eats almost anything. Okay, Felicity, the 4-year-old. What do you think about this? The taste?
It's kind of good.
It's kind of good. Okay. Now we'll go to the. How old are you?
7.
She's 7. Abby, what do you think about the taste?
I don't really like it.
You don't really like it. Okay. 9-year-old. I think. What do you think about the taste?
It's horrible.
It's horrible. Okay. How old are you, child?
14.
14-year-old. What is your honest opinion? And remember, it's for posterity. Taste.
I don't like it.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10?
2.
2. Okay. 16-year-old.
Got it right this time.
Honest opinion on the taste.
It tastes like Crisco and very bland. It looks like dog poop, kind of.
Okay. Scale of 1 to 10 on the taste.
3.
And remember, you haven't eaten in 6 months, and this is the first food you've had. What would you say then?
Not very good still.
Okay. And finally, 18-year-old, what is your honest opinion?
It tastes like sawdust
Okay.
mixed with cardboard,
Uh-huh.
and it's very thick and lumpy, and I don't like it at all.
Okay. A scale of 1 to 10?
A 1.
Wow, that's harsh. Wife? What's your honest opinion?
Oh, kind of bland
Go on.
and very thick.
What would you say the consistency was like?
Oh, this is really thick.
Okay. Do you think maybe more water would have helped?
Maybe.
Okay.
I don't know if it helped with the taste, but it helped with the texture.
Okay, on the taste, 1 to 10.
I don't know. I guess a 5.
5. Okay. All right. Well, that's the family's take. And now, let's see. Me. Hello. Okay. Well, I'm not crazy picky, but I do consider myself to be somewhat of a food connoisseur. Yes, I will eat almost anything, but that doesn't take away that I still appreciate good food, okay? So, I am going to say, yes, the consistency is not good for a pudding. Like, I think maybe adding more water than it calls for, or maybe some of their whey milk, which is excellent, by the way. Maybe adding that instead of the water. But, I'm going to say the taste, it's not horrible, really. I mean, I'd rather have it than, I think I've had a sugar-free pudding at one point in time. that was horrible. This, yeah, I'd probably say it's like about a 5 or 6 out of 10. It's not great, but if you haven't eaten anything in like 6 months and you come across a bowl of this stuff, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be happy with it. Okay, so that's my honest review on this. The family, you heard the family. I think maybe people get more picky as they grow older. I don't know. The little one, you got the yum out of her, and then yeah, you heard the reviews. Anyway, that's my honest review of the chocolate pudding. Ready hour. Chocolate pudding. Yeah. My only recommendation would be probably either add more water than it calls for. Maybe if you're gonna do the whole entire pouch, maybe do another half a cup, and maybe add milk instead of water. And maybe refrigerate it more. I think I refrigerate it for half an hour. It said chill for 20 minutes. I think probably more like an hour would be better. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope that helped you make your decision on what you're going to eat in the apocalypse. Okay, bye.